All merchandising library products are individually packaged to ensure their protection. Using a minimum of 4.5mm thick acrylic, rather than the market standard of 3mm, ensures both strength and enhances the visual appearance of the book holder. In addition to this, the acrylic in our product is the same material used in aircrafts and comes with a 30-year warranty against yellowing. Merchandising Libraries has implemented several key processes to ensure the longevity and safety of the book holder within the library environment. All edges have been flame polished, which melts the sharp edge, leaving a clean, smooth surface, ensuring the customers will not cut themselves. Typically, this is not a standard process. However, for us, it is applied to all of our products. Slat wall is a versatile product that is commonly used throughout the retail environment. Slat wall gives the user the choice of various merchandising arrangements without the expenses of custom displays. When you're about to install your new acrylic displays, keep these steps in mind. Ensure that the top edges of the display touch the back of the wall of the slat walling groove. Allow the display to slowly fall down in its own weight. If you have to use any sort of force, stop immediately and recheck that the display is touching the back wall on both sides. However, if you do continue to use force, it will snap. Once installed, the display can hold up to 10 kilos of downward force. This instructional video was brought to you by Merchandising Libraries. For more information, see us at our website. Link will also be provided in the description below.